Well, I was planning on working on the bumpers yesterday, but I got the bumper off the car. I'll show you, hold on. Bumper is off the car, and there's the two bumpers I'm working on. Side project. It's my 2017 WRX, and while I was pulling the bumper off, I noticed that hose down there, the clip right here, is loose and the oil was leaking out. So apparently that is a Sump hose, and I was like, well, I don't feel like putting the car back together and getting it to work, so I removed the radiator fan, which was actually really easy, just 2 bolts, give me a little bit more room. And it should connect to this piece right here and just be that little short length of pipe down there, so it should be too terribly different. So we ordered the new part from Amazon, original Subaru part with the right code, and we just got that in the mail. So let me open that up quick. There's the new hose, and looks good. The only thing I was concerned about was the connection on the end, because obviously my clip broke. This style I really like because it's actually better for the hose, but that might not clear what we need there. And then I got the bigger set, but they only had those in the worm glove, and I hate using those, but I might not have any choice. Well, let's see how hard it is to get this clip out. Well, that took a few seconds to pop out. The difference apparently is the white connector is the old style and the black connector on the new one. I don't see any visible damage there, but as you can see, it's definitely covered in oil. So let's get that back together with a new one. Looks like it's been leaking all the way down there. Comparison next to each other. So shouldn't be a problem putting it back together. Well, connecting that was a little fiddly. You have to get the connection and the pipe lined up perfectly. Moving that fan definitely helps. That was relatively easy. Alright, that's all connected up. For what it's worth, to save your engine, the part was like $25 from Amazon. So hopefully anybody else that's having a similar issue can at least get that line better. 10mm socket, got that finger tight for it now. Not going crazy, it's just plastic. Let's put the intake back together. That just slides into there. Well, the longest part of this video was filming it. For future, you don't actually need to remove the bumper to get to it. You can do everything just by removing the intake snorkel and the radiator fan. Unbolting that gives you plenty of access, so that's pretty easy.